Maybe.
Hey guys, ready?
Yeah.
Which card do you want to record?
Anyway, get it, go!
What the hell?
Yeah, they got the bag.
Damn it. Oh, ow. Uh-oh.
Get off the moped!
Negative.
Pull over!
Pull it over!
No!
Pull over!
No!
Pull it over!
No!
We don't want to
They don't hit me!
pull it over!
No!
It's not gonna end very well.
Okay!
Southbound Smart Freeway heading towards the city right now.
That's a cool track. Oh my god, that was great. Oh, that was funny. Coming. Oh shit!
Yeah.
Ah!
Now.
Ah!
Stay there. Don't you run. Don't you run from the left. Run.
Ah! Ow! Ow! Fuck, that hurt! Ow! 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 I broke my legs! I broke my legs! My legs, Captain!
Go
My legs are hurting,
Reckless.
Captain! Oh, wait. Okay, you got me. Oh my god!
Alright. He broke him. He broke. Oh, shit.
Okay, okay.
Handcuffs.
Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah, I got you.
Don't
Are you
you
moving?
break these.
I'm not moving. Shall we? Shall we? You got me.
Okay.
Oh my god, you got me.
Okay.
Just kidding. Just kidding, you got me. Fuck!
Oh,
Grab your arm, motherfucker. I got you.
That was the
Do you need
slowest.
medical?
Yes, I do actually.
Okay. We're just gonna put you in this vehicle. They're gonna transport you to medical.
Okay.
Okay, watch your head. There we go.
Baby shark.
297, show us en route to Pillbox
Oh,
right
okay,
now.
you almost hit the lady.
One-time suspect.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark.
I'm gonna eat some of these sugar
Baby shark.
cookies that I have in my pockets, but man, you gotta do something. You had to do something stupid.
Shall we? Not shall we?
This is selling world check. I got now, I ain't got next. It's just another Caesar salad.